Hey, this is Dorothy from crazyforcrust.com and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a truffle cake roll. It's a chocolate cake roll filled with a truffle mixture made with chocolate ganache. You start with 3 large eggs, which you're then going to beat either in an electric mixer or with a stand mixer for 3 to 5 minutes or until they get thick and frothy and yellow and about double in size. Don't skip out on this step. If you skip it, you're going to have a thin, flat, dry cake. So make sure and beat it for the full 3 to 5 minutes. Then you're going to add sugar and mix that in. Add cocoa powder, vanilla, water, and baking powder and flour. Mix that until a smooth cake batter forms. Then you're going to bake it in a cake roll pan. Make sure the pan is about 10 by 15. Cover it with foil and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Use the kind with flour if you have it. Spread the cake batter in the pan. It'll be a very thin batter. Then bake it at 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. You know it's done when it springs back when you touch it. While the cake is baking, sprinkle a clean kitchen towel with powdered sugar. And then the secret to making a cake roll is to rolling it while it's hot. Flip the hot pan over onto the prepared towel and carefully remove it and the foil. Be careful, it's hot. Then you're going to roll it while it's hot. Roll it into the towel and let it cool. While it's cooling, we're going to make the filling. Add heavy whipping cream and chocolate chips to a measuring cup and heat it in the microwave for about 45 seconds to a minute. Then whisk until it's smooth. It'll be a nice, thin, rich chocolate ganache. Chill it until you get a nice thick consistency like that. Then beat it with a hand mixer or a stand mixer until it gets nice and fluffy and lighter in color like chocolate frosting. Then once the cake roll is cool, unroll it carefully and add the filling. Spread it out evenly, making sure that it goes all the way to the edges so that your ends of your cake roll will be full of delicious chocolate truffle filling. Once it's full, you're going to roll the cake back up. Now, if your cake cracks, that's okay, just paste it back together. Once it's rolled back up, chill it for about an hour. And then before serving, sprinkle it with a sprinkling of powdered sugar and cocoa powder. Slice it and you have a delicious chocolate cake with a truffle filling that's chocolate ganache and delicious. Thanks for watching today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to eat something sweet.